In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Meta Business Suite account. Before we start, make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account that owns the business you want to remove. Deleting a business in Meta Business Suite is permanent, so double check that you really don't need this business anymore. If it manages ad accounts, pages, assets, or payment methods you still use, consider transferring those to another business first. Let's begin by going to Meta Business Suite. The easiest way is to open your browser and type in the Meta Business Suite URL, or access it through your Facebook account by clicking on the menu and choosing the Business Tools option. Once the page loads, you should see your business dashboard. If you have more than one business, make sure the correct one is selected at the top, because the changes you're about to make will only apply to the business that's currently active. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu with different options. Look through that column and click on Settings. This is where Meta keeps all of the controls for your business, including permissions, payment methods, and business details. If you don't see Settings right away, scroll down that left-hand menu until you find it. After you're in the Settings area, focus again on the left-hand column. Here, you'll see several sections related to your business. Find and click on Business Info. This section contains the core details of your business, such as its name, ID, and contact information. And it's also where Meta puts the option to delete the business entirely. Once the business info page opens, look toward the top right-hand corner of the screen. You should see a button or link labeled Permanently Delete Business. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, Meta may show you a confirmation message or a warning, explaining that deleting your business is irreversible and that you might lose access to associated pages, ad accounts, or other assets. Read this carefully so you understand the impact. If you're absolutely sure you want to continue, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the deletion. You might be asked to re-enter your password or verify your identity for security reasons. After you confirm, Meta will begin the process of permanently deleting your business from Meta Business Suite. And that's it. You've learned how to navigate to Meta Business Suite. Open your settings, find your business information,